Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the latest update from HelloNote. Today, we're excited to share improvements to our patient status report. Our newly implemented search bar is functioning perfectly, and you can now drag patients between different status columns without altering the column order. Let's dive right in and explore these updates. To view the report, click the Reports tab in the left sidebar. Then choose Patient and select Patient Status from the drop-down menu. On the report page, click the blue Generate button at the top right corner. After loading, you'll see a pie chart showing patient status percentages and their distribution, along with status columns featuring patient names. Let's test the search function by typing in a patient's name. It should display only the patients that match the entered name. Let's try dragging our demo patient from active to inactive. This action should move the patient from one column to another without changing the order of the columns. After dragging the patient to the desired column, a pop-up will appear asking us to confirm the action. Once we confirm, the patient will remain in a new status column, and the change will be immediately reflected in our patient demographics. Let's return to our status report and move the demo patient back to the active queue. We'll follow the same procedure as before. Click on Reports, then select Patient and choose Patient Status. Like before, we'll start by hitting Generate to load all the data into the report. Since our demo patient is currently inactive, they won't appear in search results even if we type the full name into the search bar. Instead, we'll manually locate the patient in the inactive queue and move them to the active queue. Once the action is confirmed, the patient status is updated. As we return to the patient demographics page, it should reflect the latest changes. Thank you all for watching. This concludes our update on utilizing the search bar and the drag and drop feature in our patient status report. Feel free to reach out if you have any concerns or questions.